Out of the many exercising options, if you have chosen resistance training at the gym, then it is important to remember how important it is to use a correct technique while training. Or otherwise, one might end up in a hospital, and we don't want that. In this video, I will be sharing the mistakes to avoid and the correct technique to do a few exercises at the gym.
The exercise about which we are going to discuss today is called seated chest press. Adjust the seat height so that the hand grips are just slightly above the chest level. Keep the back neutral and the head relaxed against the back support. This is the wrong way of doing it. You need to keep your shoulders down and relaxed at all times. Do not allow the wrists to hyperextend and take care not to hyperextend the elbows at the end of the movement. So stay safe and stay fit. See you next time with a new exercise video to discuss the mistakes to avoid at the gym.